Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar. We're back with another song from Calema. This one is called Perfume. So, a nice song here. We have one string pattern that goes pretty much in the same way, almost from the beginning till the very end. Small variation there with the same string pattern. So, it's easy one, this one. Let's take a look at this. Capo on first. That's very important for the song because that makes life much easier if you want to match up with the sound here. So capo on first, we have 4 chords to learn here. So let's start with the D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have a bar chord here, the F sharp minor. So you place the bar here on the 2nd fret over all strings, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. We have A as well, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And speaking of E, that's the final chord here. E is played with open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. So there we have the chords. So I mentioned almost the same chord progression through the entire song. And yeah, before we go into the chord progression here, we need to learn the strumming pattern. So let's start with that and learn it through the D chord. That is the first chord. So grab the D, and one string around will be down, up, clap, down. All right, so down, up, clap, down. Down, and then short pause, and then up, clap, down. And a couple rounds sounds like this. Alright, so we have the chord progression. The main part goes D, 4 string rounds, F sharp minor, 4, E, 4, and then D4. So it both starts and ends on D. So that will be like this. So it ends with D and starts on next round with D. Alright, so that is the main chord progression there, but sometimes you're gonna split on the F sharp minor and bring in the A as well. So you're gonna play D4, then instead of playing F sharp minor 4, you play them only for 2 rounds, this chord. So F sharp minor 2 and then A2. So that's the only difference there. Instead of playing F sharp minor 4, you split on that and play F sharp 2, A2, and then you end the same way with E4 and D4. So one round that goes into the second round will be like this. And the second round. So that pretty much covers Calema's Perfume. So thank you for watching, guys, and thank you for all the support here. Really appreciate it. Till next time, play tuned.